Destination for today, which is at Sumpitan Glamping. Good morning, welcome to Pirates on E-Bike channel. Today we are trying out a new route. I'm exiting from Penang. We are heading towards a new ride over here called as Sumpitan Ride. So we will be starting off over here in Kampung Masjid. Behind me is actually Arena Square, One Abu Bakar at Kampung Masjid, Perak. So this is going to be a new route. I'll show you along the path where we are going. This cycling route is to and fro 50 km. So it will take you about 3 hours to 3.5 hours to finish it. The highest elevation is going to be 478. So by the time you finish the entire distance, it's going to be close to 980. Alright, we are starting our ride over here in Arena Square Kampung Masjid. So it's about close to 3 minutes to 8 p.m. So we are going to try out this route. We have been resting for a while. So right now this is basically a recovery ride for me. Very nice cozy kampung if you come here. So far the front wind is quite cozy, I think, because the weather is just nice for today, right? So we have see some sign over here with Tanah Runtuh, so have to be super careful. So, oh, quite heavy Tanah Runtuh over here. So far we have covered about 5.6 kilometers and it's about 9 in the morning. Right now we are enjoying a very nice cold mist with fog around. Let me show you how is it. Feels like you are at Cameron Highlands or in Genting. So quite enjoyable over here and with very less traffic. 7 kilometers onwards, it is an uphill ride, but not so steep, still acceptable. Not as steep as Penang Hill, so still enjoyable. Now folks, behind me is Air Putih Waterfall, Air Putih. So if you happen to reach here, it's going to be a very fantastic ride and view over here. We will continue our route from here, heading towards the route in front of us. Now we are entering Sumpitan Daerah Hulu Perak. Reached the peak of our first part of the journey, which is about 478 elevation. In front of me is Sumpitan Daerah Hulu Perak. So if you look from the other side, it's going to be Sumpitan Daerah Larut Matang and Selama. So in front of me, it's going to be downhill all the way. So this guy, great trip with all his friends over here. Everybody, we have reached our destination for today, which is at Sumpitan Glamping. Behind me is the campsite. This is the entrance. If you reach under here, you will see that there's an Impiana River view behind me. So this is the site that we are looking at. So this is where we come down from. Then when you head until here, turn right into Sumpitan Glamping. So we'll check it out, the campsite over here, and have some food before our return trip for today. So this is a very nice coffee hut over here by the name of Pio Coffee. So we're going to take a rest over here before our return trip. Here we are at Sumpitan Glamping campsite. It's a very cozy glamping area with a very nice river next to the campsite itself. Then behind me you can see that there is quite a lot of those nice canopy tent that is available for you to rent. So definitely a nice place to come for glamping if you decided to escape from the busty lifestyle of the city. Well folks, that's the end of our ride for today from Arena Square in Kampung Masjid heading towards Sumpitan Glamping. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click like to Pirates on E-Bike channel. Signing out for today.